What is up, everybody? Steve here. Today we are going to get out to a property on Fort Myers Beach. I actually have to sign off on a waiver, hold harmless and release of all claims before we can actually get out to the property. It is a hurricane damaged property located on Fort Myers Beach. And since we're gonna be out there, we're gonna go take a look at this, but we're gonna help somebody try to actually move their boat. The boat is kind of like this, so we got to go to our storage unit first. We got to grab a come along, which is like a winch system, bring that out there, and then we're going to bring you guys through this property as well. And if the second story, if you look, if the second story is livable, then we may make an offer on this property. At this point in time, the agent remarks says the property has hurricane damage, electrical and structural inspections have not been done. But as I mentioned, we actually have to sign off on this hold harmless agreement first, send this to the real estate agent, the listing agent, and then set the appointment for the showing. So once this is all squared up, we're gonna hit the gym real quick, and then we're gonna jump in the truck, go to the storage unit, and head out to Fort Myers Beach.
Back.
Wrong one.
What I dropped you off at, honey. Aiden's printing behind the camera seat.
Alright, we need for Ducky, need the Sawzall. Diane, put this in the back, please.
Like a.
Ooh, right here. Nice. Try to get Jerry's boat from this to this with this. So come along. It's badass to have. That's it. Alright guys, we're here taking a look at Hurricane Home on Fort Myers Beach. Doesn't look like any water got up in here. Just not sure how the foundation is. Looks like the whole upstairs kind of fared. If we can get the engineer signed off on this thing, man, looks like it's all salvageable. Oh, definitely a roof leak. It's gonna be a new roof. Rooms are huge. That's not good. Probably just because of water intrusion coming in with the high winds and everything. Jolie and the kids are down there, and Doc looks good. Water. Not sure how high it came up here. Actually, here's the water line. The water line's got to be, yeah, at least They're 9 feet up. So the entire downstairs needs to be gutted. So we're looking for any kind of major settling or cracking. It's got a ton of potential. So they had vinyl siding over the wood siding up there. Dude, the water line was about 9 feet up.
Yeah, it's right here.
No, if you go in there, you'll actually see it. This is when it was coming down. It was all the way up there.
Oh, I stayed in there. Shit.
Dude, upstairs is, I mean, structurally, I'm not seeing any major cracking or settling. But upstairs, I don't think we need to. Not right now, anyway. This doctor did a great job. Dock and seawall. Look at that sailboat up. Beach movie theaters right there. So this thing's priced at $650. I'd say land value is about $650. Even if this thing was torn down, you could probably salvage the pool. You got the seawall that's intact, so the improvements alone, you're probably talking a couple $100,000 in itself. So I think it's worth the asking price all day long. I don't see any major settling or cracking. But we'll get back and run some numbers. Made it to Jerry's house. We actually used to own this house here right next door over on Fort Myers Beach. We got the come along to move this boat, but it sounds like Jerry doesn't want to mess with it today, so but we're gonna fly the drone up so we can get an idea of the waterway out here to make sure it's safe, because they're gonna go and rescue some boats out here and try to bring them in. But this is Jerry's boat that got a little smashed up. I'm gonna fly the drone up, and they just want to make sure they know all the submerged hazards that are in the water so they can work around them. Let's get it up in the air.